Hey guys, today I'm gonna air fry a homegrown zucchini. I picked my first zucchini in April this year, April 19th. I live in Northern California, but I don't remember ever picking zucchini until like June. And we had kind of a hot streak in February, so I don't know if it's just a freak year or what. This is the first zucchini I've grown at this new place we're at. We just moved here in July last year, but I don't know. Anyway, kind of crazy. So anyway, I thought I had to make at least one video with some zucchini. Haven't done one in a while, but since it's homegrown, I figured I'd have to use one. I'm just cutting it into little kind of cube-sized pieces, and then I'm gonna cook it in my air fryer. Now I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil on this. Alright, and a little bit of kosher salt. A little bit of Johnny's seasoned pepper. Besides pepper, this has sugar, red and green bell pepper, garlic, and onion in it. Now I'll get this all mixed up. Spread those out in the air fryer basket. Now we'll get this closed up. This is a 6-quart air fryer. I set this to air fry at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. It may not take that long. I'll just keep an eye on them. It's been 11 minutes. I'm going to check on these here. See how they are. You know, I think those might be pretty good. I don't want them all mushy. I like a little bit of firmness to them. I think I'm just going to shut that off right there. Put these in a bowl and we'll see how they turned out here. Alright, let's try a little bit and see how it turned out here. That's good. I used to steam zucchini a lot, but I think it has more flavor this way. Reminds me of stir fry a little bit, that type of texture. I'm not sure if Annie will eat this. People always say, is there anything Annie doesn't like? I don't know if she likes zucchini or not. Want to try it, Annie? No, I don't think it's Annie approved. Well, I thought it was good, but Annie didn't agree. That's one of the few things that Annie's turned down. That one wasn't Annie approved. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.